My name is Prakalpa Shankar and I'm the co-founder of Atlan. Companies in the US alone spend about $20 billion a year on data solutions, but only about 27% of these big data projects will be successful. Today, data teams are incredibly diverse. So many different people, so many different ways of working, so many different styles, and they need to come together and collaborate effectively to actually be able to move the needle. Atlan is a home for data teams. So we're building software products that help data teams collaborate effectively through their daily workflows all across the data lifecycle. Our tools allow data teams to become about 6x more agile and achieve outcomes at 20 to 30% of the resources that are typically needed. We have customers in 50 countries. We're powering over 200 data teams around the world. This is at different scales and sizes, ranging from the National Data Platform for the Government of India to the United Nations, the World Food Programme. But at the same time, we power companies like Unilever, Pepsi, to small startups that are 5-member teams just getting started.